Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that your Discord is not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve that issue in the iPhone? So simply just follow all the steps. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to the general section and you see the option of a software update. Just tap on that and you see the option of a software update. Just update the latest iOS version. After that, just going to the iPhone storages. Just tap on that and just scroll it down and just find a Discord app. Just scroll it down and you see the option of us Discord. See that the option. Just tap on that Discord and the option of our offload app. Just tap on that and just again install the Discord from here. After that, just going back and you see the option of back again and just scroll it down and just find option of our transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and you reset the network settings from here. After doing all the stuff, make sure your phone gonna solve. If your phone not gonna solve, simply just install the app of Discord and again download it from the app store. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.